Hello everyone. So how to install Rush Limbaugh app on iPhone or iOS, any iOS device. So you need to go to App Store and just search for Rush Limbaugh. And there you have that's the app. You can go to this app. It's this is a new updated app from this host. It has all these his segments, uh, his episodes of his show and all that. So just tap get, and then you need to confirm with Touch ID. There you have it. So for people who are new to iPhone, you need to first create your Apple ID account, sign into that, and only after that you will be able to download apps from App Store. And then just tap open, and there you have, that's the app, the official app of the Rush Limbaugh show. If you're a fan, you should definitely get it. And then just tap get started. You can subscribe, and there you have it. That's the app. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.